how to get round icons on iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to get round icons on iPhone iOS 26, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings application, you need to scroll down a bit and go with general. And here you need to go with software update. Once you tap on software update, you may have some software updates. If you've updated, then it's good. But if you've not, then you will have the iOS 26 beta updates. You need to go and update it. You need to go with beta updates right here and make sure that you've selected the developer beta option, iOS 26 developer beta. Once you've selected, you need to go and update it. And after updating, you need to tap and hold on to your screen. Go with edit, which will be in the top left, and then tap on customize. And here on the bottom, you will have round icons interface, but only after updating. So that's how you can get round icons on your iPhone iOS 26. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.